How to use Zendrop for Shopify Dropshipping. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your sales on Shopify by connecting Zendrop with it. So to get started, you need to go to your web browser. Here, search for Zendrop. Now click to open zendrop.com, which is its official website. Now scroll down and click on Create Your Free Account in order to get started. Or you can also click on the Login button if you already have an account. Now enter your email address and password to proceed further. Once you're done, click on Login. It will redirect you to this page. Now, in the new tab, open your Shopify account. Here, you need to copy the URL address from your Shopify page. Then paste it in the given box on Zendrop. Click on Connect to go next. As you can see, a link is being created between your Shopify store and Zendrop. Click on the Install App button on your top right corner. As you can see, the Zendrop app has been added on your Shopify account. Click on My Store from your left panel. This is how it will look like. Now select a product and click on Add to Import List right below it. You can add different products according to your needs and preferences. Add as many products as you want. Also, you can see different filters to see products. Click on Ships from Anywhere. Here you can select the location, either US or China. Then you can set categories of products according to your choice. Right next to it are suppliers, which you can also pick from the given lists. Lastly, you can filter products according to their prices. You can search your required products in this search bar. Once you're done selecting your products, click on Dashboard right below My Store. Here you will find the analysis of your orders. After that, we have My Products, where you can see our active listings of the products which you are selling. You'll have Import Listing, Store Listing, and Issues in this section. By clicking on these dots, right next to our products, we have the options of Review and Publish, Override, and Remove from Import List. Now click on Review and Publish. Click on Publish to My Store. Click on the last option, then select Confirm. Your selected product will be published in your store. Now go to your Shopify account and reload the page. Click on Products. Here is your published product. It has been imported from Zendrop to your Shopify store. Now go to the Zendrop page and click on My Products. Click on Import List. Here you'll find the imported products. Click on Review and Publish. Then select Publish to My Store. You can also edit this listing by changing the description, variants, or images if you want. Once you're done, click on Publish to My Store. Your selected product will be imported to your Shopify store. So this is how you can use Zendrop for Shopify dropshipping.